So guys, for the first method, we're going to enable virtualization features in Windows. To do that, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once we're on this, we're going to enable Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. So enable Hyper-V, tick the box, scroll down. You want to find Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Enable both of these as well, and then click on OK. It's going to start searching for required files. It's going to start applying changes. Once that's been done, restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in core isolation. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to find memory integrity. You want to turn it off. Turn off memory integrity. Then you want to restart your computer. See if that works. For the next method, depending on your CPU, for example, if you're using an Intel CPU, in your BIOS, you want to enable VT-X or VT-D. If you're using an AMD CPU, you want to enable AMD-V, or it might be saying for you SVM mode. There's going to be two links in the description to my videos, whether you're using an Intel CPU or an AMD CPU. It's going to show you how to enable that in your BIOS. Once you enable that, see if that works. The two videos are going to be down below in the description.